Ever wondered how you can diagnose your car problems yourself? Welcome to the world of car diagnosis, a realm where a little knowledge can go a long way. Understanding the basics of car diagnosis is not just a nifty skill to have, but a potential lifesaver. It's about knowing what's happening under the hood of your own vehicle, which can save you both time and money. Imagine no more unnecessary trips to the mechanic for minor issues. No need for a mechanic every time. You can be your own car doctor. Diagnosing car problems may seem complex, but it's simpler than you think. Let's dive right into our step-by-step car diagnosis. First off, we start with the basics. Take a good look around your car. Are there any visible leaks? Puddles of fluid under the car are a clear sign that something's not right. And don't forget your ears in this process. Listen for any strange noises. Unusual sounds can often be the first clue that your car is crying out for help. Next, check your tire pressure. Improper tire pressure can lead to a multitude of issues, from decreased gas mileage to a less comfortable ride. So don't skip this step. Now, let's move on to more complex checks. Start by checking your oil levels. Low oil can cause serious engine damage. Look at the dipstick and make sure the oil is within the safe zone. Too high or too low. It's time to take action. Next up, inspect your car's battery. Corroded terminals or a swollen battery case can indicate a problem. Use a multimeter, if you have one, to check the voltage. Finally, if you're still unsure, you can use a diagnostic tool to find any error codes. These tools plug into your car's onboard diagnostic port and can provide valuable insight into what's going wrong. Remember, a quick diagnosis could prevent a small problem from turning into a big one. So, diagnosing your car isn't as hard as it seems, is it? Over the course of this video, we've covered some basic yet crucial elements of car diagnosis. We've talked about how listening to your vehicle and paying attention to unusual sounds can reveal a lot about its health. We've also touched on the importance of regular maintenance checks like inspecting your tires, brakes, and fluids. But remember, these steps are just a starting point. They allow you to understand your car better and potentially spot minor issues before they become major headaches. However, when it comes to significant problems, it's always wise to consult with a professional mechanic. They have the training and experience to accurately diagnose and fix complex issues. Next time you suspect something's off with your car, give these steps a try before heading to the mechanic. You might just save yourself some time and money.